In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a shift bid line. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be under a location in order to do this. Then click on Bidding. Select the shift bid whose lines you would like to edit or delete. You should arrive at your shift bids status page. Make sure you have Setup selected, then choose Setup in the top menu bar. Select Lines from the drop-down menu. You should arrive at a list of the lines for this shift bid. Select the one you would like to edit or delete. Maybe I will choose this week split. Now I can change the name. Maybe I'll say New. I can also change the number of employees who can work this line. Maybe instead of 1, I want 2. And maybe instead of 7 days, I want 14. That does mean I need to change the last day of the calendar, so I'll click this End Calendar icon, and I'm going to choose 13. Then I could add any notes. Maybe I'll say Changed. If you're happy with your changes, click Save. And now that shift bid line has been changed and those changes have been saved. Notice it's twice as long as the other ones because it has twice as many days. Let's say instead of editing that line, I wanted to delete it. There are 2 ways you can delete lines in TeamWork 5. First, you can select the name of that line and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this line. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that line has been deleted. If you want to delete more than one line at a time, or you don't want to have to click its name first, you can check the box next to that line and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 again is going to make sure you do want to delete this line. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that line has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete lines in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view and add shift bid messages.